is Ethiopia, and welcome back to the Rude Girl Brunch.
This is a rude girl anthem.
Okay, guys, today we are cooking a big American breakfast with T-bone steak, eggs, pancakes. So let's get to it. Now, anyone who actually knows me know I love breakfast food. I'm the type of girl that wakes up in the middle of the night and cooks pancakes, okay? So today we're going to start off first with our T-bone steak. Well, first, make sure, when you're a rude girl and you have rude girl nails, make sure all the nails are nicely clean and sanitized before you cook for anyone. Okay? So anyways, let's go on to the steak. So guys, this is the T-bone that I am using. It is perfectly matured Class A Steakhouse Classic T-bone. Okay, now the first thing we're going to do is put a nice seasoning rub on the T-bone steak so it's nice and juicy and seasoned properly. So in this rub, I put in salt, black pepper, some Italian seasoning, and some Cajun seasoning.
Baby, tell me what you gon' do when the rude gal come true. Baby, tell me what you gon' say. I flip this work, this I'm just You never had a girl like this. Lay it down, toss it down, split. Ride it like a foreign car. Take shift, get them pumps me a full of tricks. Make you come hard, so hard and quick. He said he never.
Guys, I went off camera to wash my hands because I just had my hands in steak, and now I'm going to start the pancake batter. So anyways, someone had said that you shouldn't cook with all these long nails, you should put on gloves, and then I was like, how do we even know how these gloves are made? Like, there could be a rat running around these factories where the gloves are made. Once you make sure your hands are nicely clean, you take a little brush underneath your nails for 20 seconds under running water. I do at least 30 seconds. You're good, okay? I mean, that was just a little side thing. So anyway, this is the pancake batter. In this pancake batter, I put all the dry ingredients first. So that's the flour, the sugar, the baking powder, and the salt, a little bit of salt. So I'm just going to whisk the dry ingredients first. And then I'm going to put in the wet ingredients second. So to that, I'm going to crack in 2 eggs. Really and truly, you should crack it in a separate bowl just to make sure the eggs are good. But I know these eggs are good because they are fresh eggs. I just got them actually from the farm. I'm going to crack the other egg. And also to avoid putting, shells inside your pancake, it's good to crack them off in a separate bowl, but I didn't. And next, I'm going to add long life cream to it. And I almost forgot, I like my pancake with a little bit of vanilla flavor, so I'm going to add some vanilla extract.
This is a rude girl anthem.
Yeah, about a teaspoon, 2 teaspoons. The first place I like to go to when I go travel to the States, hit up IHOP, get some pancakes and T-bone steak. So that's actually my motivation for the show, or my, what do you call it? What's the word? I'm trying to recreate an IHOP big breakfast because, it's coronavirus. So it's no traveling. I need some more water. This is the consistency I want the pancake. I have my 2 dishes here and I'm going to fry them at the same time because I'm a rude girl. I don't have time to be in the kitchen all day, well, the outside kitchen. So this is my, obviously, my batter for my homemade pancakes. This is my nice, juicy T-bone. So I have 2 frying pans getting nice and hot. I just need to get them nice and hot, 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 hot. And I'm just going to put some oil in both of them.
Come into my room. It's a good girl zone. Come into my room. I'll take your.
I'm so excited to fry this steak, do these pancakes, and with the eggs, I'm going to do the eggs after I do the pancakes and just eat this nice big breakfast. Yeah, the oil was in, yeah.
Like a foreign car, take shift, get them pumps me up full of tricks. Make it come hard, so hard and quick. He said he never had a love like this. Baby, show me, I told you this. Don't fall in love with me, please resist. This rude girl never.
Pan for the steak to be screaming hot. So I'm going to put it on now. I think it's nice and hot now.
Slippery fish that stay in honey. Come into my room.
I almost had a little accident there, but I caught it. So the steak is going. My little cookie is small for 2 of these frying pans, but we'll make it work. We always do. So this is my trick to know when the pancake is ready to flip. Like when you see when all the bubbles come and it starts popping by itself, you know that this pancake could flip without making a royal mess. So me flipping right now is a little tight because my steak is here, my pancake is here, and my workstation is a little bit small outside. So I just have to be very careful to keep the equilibrium. So this one could flip as well. Ooh, look at that, nice and golden brown. And this one can flip. Ooh, cut a little bit. It's okay. You could always just take it off and just put it back on your side. We're back. Everything is looking good. My pancakes are in there, almost finished. My steak, I'm going to flip it on the other side now. T-bone is my favorite cut of steak. I love a nice, big, juicy, medium T-bone steak with some pancake and some syrup. So my pancakes are almost done. Yes, I just like them a little more golden brown. I like my pancakes a little more crispy than they do it at the restaurants. So that's why I like to do my own homemade pancakes, because I like it a little bit more crispy than they would get. Like almost even burnt. Not burnt, but golden, dark brown, not golden brown. Now I'm going to start plating some of my pancakes.
Be the best, but I will not say. Some say I do black magic. Some say river goddess. All I know is throw your head.
Okay guys, I'm about to plate the rest of the pancakes. I already plated some, so this is just the second batch of plated. And it's homemade pizzas, guys, just like I said before. It doesn't have to be perfect, but look at that. Our pancakes are done. I'm just going to let the steak cook a little bit more because I want it medium, not I want it medium done. So I just need to let the steak, because it's a really thick cut of T-bones, I'm just going to let the steak cook a little bit more. But guys, look at our pancakes. homemade pancake. Look at this. Isn't this looks so delicious? It smells so vanilla. The pancakes are done. I'm just frying my eggs, and I really don't like too much fancy eggs for breakfast. I don't really like sunny side up. I don't really like scrambled with like the milk. I just like really just eggs, a little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper, and just put it in the skillet and just start flipping it. I just like really simple eggs. So that's what I'm doing. It's nothing, I didn't add anything fancy to it. This is how I like my eggs. This is how I grew up eating my eggs. So this is how I prefer it. But of course, you know, you could do your eggs how you want it. But this is how I like my eggs. Just nice and simple. No muss, no fuss. I'm going to start plating. I'm going to put my steak that's medium done on a plate. Look at that. I'm going to let it rest for like 10 minutes. But I'm going to put my eggs there because I want to let it, when it run off, just let it soak up a little bit of the steak juices. Guys, I mean, how beautiful is that? Seriously. Steak, eggs, pancakes. Okay guys, the pancake, the steak and eggs are done, but I actually have a special treat for you guys. I wanted to do like a special syrup, so I'm using honey, whiskey, and vanilla. So it's a good girl syrup. So I'm going to put in my pan some local honey. And to that, I'm going to add some whiskey. This is a rude girl, I'm telling you. And to that, quickly, I'm just going to add a dash of vanilla and a small dash of salt. And guys, if you smell this, if you smell this, it smells like heaven. And I'm just gonna let it thicken a bit, but I like my syrup a little runny, like hot and runny. So I'm just gonna quickly turn it off. Hi everybody, so we're back. Our Rude Girl brunch is done. I'm done cooking. I have my T-bone steak that's looking so juicy. I have my eggs, my homemade pancakes with honey, whiskey. Tastes so good. So I'm just really ready to dig in. But guys, thank you so much for watching me cook. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, comment, hit the notification bell, and join me next time. Also, if you're into mukbangs, you can stick around and watch me devour this food. So thank you so much, guys.
You gon' see I flip this work, this up in your face. You never had a girl like this.